battlefield Bihar, the state is in the final leg of its high-stake assembly election. The first phase already saw a record turnout with about 65.08% voters exercising their right to vote across 121 constituencies. And now, all eyes are on the second phase, the bigger and the decisive round, where voting will take place on November 11th. Now, campaigning ends today at about 5 p.m. and at this moment, parties are squeezing in their last appeals in the remaining 122 seats in 20 districts. Remember, the second phase includes the crucial Simanchal region. It is the region that borders West Bengal and Nepal. Now, in the second phase, more than 37 million voters are eligible and with over 1,300 candidates in the fray. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is also leading a heavy-duty push. He speaks at Sasaram's Fazalganj Stadium at noon, and then it will be followed an address at Arval's Madhu Sarma Mela ground. Meanwhile, Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath will also hold public meetings today in Araria, Sapol and Madhubani throughout the day. From the other camp, Rahul Gandhi will be campaigning as well. Meanwhile, there will also be road shows by Manoj Tiwari, Dinesh Lal, as well as Nishikant Dubey, who plan to highlight the newly built 4-lane roads. So far, if you talk about BJP, their top 4 leaders have already held about 70 rallies and road shows in this election cycle, which again shows you how high stakes is this election for both the camps.
आखिरी दिन है चुनाव प्रचार का और इस बार माहौल बहुत अच्छा है। पूरे बिहार की जनता जो है आशीर्वाद दे रही है। इस बार बदलाव के लिए वोट किया है। आगे 11 तारीख को भी करेगी और प्रधानमंत्री जी हों या केंद्र के मंत्री हों, कोई भी लोग 65% जो आरक्षण हमारी 17 महीने की सरकार ने जो बढ़ाया था, उस आरक्षण के बारे में ये लोग कुछ नहीं बोल रहे। लोगों का आरक्षण खा करके बैठ गए हैं प्रधानमंत्री 65%। इस पे बोलना चाहिए, बात करनी चाहिए। पढ़ाई, दवाई, कमाई, सिंचाई पे बात करनी चाहिए। 11 साल का हिसाब देना चाहिए। बताना चाहिए कि गुजरात को कितना दिया, बिहार को क्या दिया। इस पे तो वो बात नहीं कर रहे हैं।
मेन मुद्दा यही है कि लोकतंत्र पर आक्रमण हो रहा है, अंबेडकर जी के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर आक्रमण हो रहा है और डायरेक्टली मोदी जी, अमित शाह जी और ज्ञानेश जी जॉइंटली पार्टनरशिप बना के कर रहे हैं और इससे देश का बहुत नुकसान हो रहा है। भारत माता का नुकसान हो रहा है, डैमेज हो रही है भारत माता।
Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge says that the claim that the NDA is making that they are going to win the poll in the state of Bihar is all rubbish.
I think that they need to concentrate on a vanishing political entity and narrative that the Congress party now seems to be very well known for. It is but natural for Mr. Kharge to make these proclamations about the BJP, forgetting the fact that these proclamations are not new. These proclamations have been made in Haryana, where we won resoundingly. Forget even state elections. In Damandiu, the local elections is where BJP has recently had a historic victory. So be it municipal elections, be it state elections or general elections, the Bharatiya Janata Party has had a sustained innings of wins, and I'm sure that we will see the same on the 14th of November.
Now, Mr. Rahul Gandhi says that Bihar is a state of labor.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi possibly does not understand the glorious not only history of Bihar, but also the contribution of the people of Bihar and the prospects of Bihar in the future. Anybody who is naive enough to make such a statement not only insults the legacy of Bihar, but also insults the potential of Bihar.
Ma'am, last question. Huge turnout of voters could be seen in the first phase, and women voters have come out in large numbers. How do you see this?
I compliment the Election Commission, which, irrespective of the attacks that were mounted on it by the Congress Party, has ensured that very transparently elections have been made possible in the first phase. The fact that women came out in large numbers is also a manifestation of the fact that women believe that they want to ensure that the RJD does not come back to power. Women want to ensure that the BJP-led NDA comes to power, and that is why you've seen them come out in large numbers and vote in our favor.